Hi everyone, this is Bob from Retail Machinery. Today I'd like to showcase our X-type thin press machine with model Fp7x21x18.19mm. In my hand, this is a finished fins. The copper tube is for the 7.0mm. The hole distance is 21 and the load distance is 80.19mm. On this machine, we equipped with a pin die with 24 loads with 2 progress. The SPM we adjusted is to 220 SPM. Next, let us take a look how this machine runs.这个模具是规格多少？9.525，这7/21，18.19。The pin size, the copper tube size is 7.0mm. Now, current speed is now 220 SPM. Ah, 掉出来了。The stacker is designed with rotation two junction. Double station. Pin size. For copper tube 7.0mm. 孔距率是多少？孔距是21，西到21乘18.1。The pitch is 21.